In this video, we will be covering the agent catalog or community within the Aria platform. The agent catalog is a great way to access pre-built agents and significantly speed up the building and deployment of AI agents in the Aria platform. To access the catalog, simply navigate to Community on the left-hand side of the menu. Within this catalog of pre-built agents, you can either search for a specific name or filter by industry or LLM provider if you already have something specific in mind. Let's go ahead and set a filter for industry. Let's filter for education. As you go through, you can see the name of the agent along with a short tagline. If something sparks your interest and you want to have a look at it, hover over the agent to see a more detailed description. If you click into it, you'll find an overview of the agent. You can open the different tiles to get more detail. For example, you can view the agent's prompt, see the connected data sources, and even swap out those data sources here. If you click on this error icon, you'll then get access to all of the data sources you've already configured in your environment, and you can see the module that has been chosen up here. You can also switch to a more familiar design view, like the one you're used to from the canvas. If you want to, from either the overview or the design view, you can start testing this agent. Simply input a short prompt to observe the agent's behavior in real time and decide whether it's the right fit for your needs. Once you're happy with the agent, click Add to Project, select the project where you want to deploy it, and add it to the project. You'll see the agent show up in the selected project, and from there, you can start making changes. For example, if you want to swap the model, you can treat it just like any other agent on the platform. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.